Hi everyone, it's Cabochon cutting day again. That's a bit of a tongue twister. Today I'm going to be using some material that you can see up here that is quite unique. I've never cut anything like this before. Again, this is another bit of an experiment. I'm hoping that we can get a nice stone out of it. So just hang around and we'll see how we go. Welcome to Rocket Rose Art. My name is Jeff. This material today is like a banded material. It's like little veins of alternating black, clear and the bright dichroic. Now again, this was an experiment, and what I made here, it has some things to consider when setting it, but hopefully we'll get a nice cabochon out of it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notifications. Now let's get into cutting this cabochon. Now there's something you haven't seen before. It's got bands of opaque black across there with dichroic and clear in between. You can see nice flashes of red and rich blue, along with the sort of yellowy green colour. Now this one is, again, it's a bit like a crystal in that you can see through it. You can see my finger through it. So if you mounted this, you wouldn't want it on a solid back unless maybe it was black. So you would probably mount this to hold it around the edge. Now what do I do with this one? It will have little bubbles. You can see a little bubble there, another one there, one there. So it does have bubbles in it. Do I make it into an oval, or do I leave it and make it into a cushion shape? Yeah, I think an oval is the best thing. Again, tell me what you think in the comments. I'd like to know what you would do with it. I think the first thing I will do is square it up a bit, just so I can get the shape better. Run out of water. Don't have to stop while I get some water. Right, we're back. It's good to have water. Maybe a little bit more water. First thing, let's get ourselves a rough oval shape. I think that's close enough. I'll take a little bit off that edge there before I then put it on the Dop Stick. Okay, I'll just put it on the Dop Stick. So I just warm up the wax on my Dop Stick. Warm up my stone. Bit overheated as usual. Push the wax in against the stone. Spread it out. Give it a good connection, and then we'll level up our stone. Right, now we'll get the shape a little bit better. Just getting this bevel even all the way around, because when it's not even, it just makes it a bit harder to work out whether the shape is correct. Let's put an angle now around the sides just for setting. Flatten that top out a bit better, even it up. Right, we'll continue rolling over the top. bit more, I think. It's just a little bit too square. I'll just try and smooth off all those facets now. Rats, a little bubble, but that'll just have to stay because I think it's too deep to cut out and we've lost enough material. So I'll just smooth that a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good enough for the kiln. So I'll perform the fire polish and I'll be back tomorrow morning and I'll show you the finished piece. As you could see, the polish went well, but I think we lost a little bit too much of the colour in the stone. Now, because it is banded with clear, there are some issues with setting this. You wouldn't want to put it in a full bezel because you would be able to see the back of the bezel through it. So you would have to have an open bezel to set it in, or possibly set it in some prongs so that you can get that light through from the back. Don't forget, if you want to see a couple more videos, you'll see some suggested ones. Put any questions in the comments below. I will answer them for sure. And until the next video, I will say bye for now.